A gift of love.
Okay. So we will start new lesson, a gift of love. Lesson number 10. And before we start this lesson, I will tell you something about the lesson and then we will start. So this lesson is about a 4-year-old boy whose name is Hamid. He has lost his parents, but he does not know that his parents will never come back. He lives alone only with his grandmother, Amina. And Amina has told Hamid that his parents will come back soon, but they are never going to come back as they are both dead. But Hamid, he is just 4 years old. He does not know all these things, and he is expecting that his parents will come back soon. So it is the festival of Eid, and you all know how the festival of Eid is celebrated. So it is about the festival of Eid, and you all know what is Eidgah, the open air enclosure where Eid prayers are offered, and the people wear new clothes. They go to the fair, they buy sweets, toys, and they enjoy. But here, Hamid is all alone. He is only living with his grandmother, and they have no money. So Hamid goes to the fair with his friends. His friends are buying toys, sweets, but Hamid saves money. He buys something very different. So that we will see what he buys. And a 4-year-old boy, how much mature he is, that you have to learn from this lesson. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll present again. I want to open some images over here. So just a minute. Okay. See, what scene is this? Can you identify?
Eid.
Eid,
And what about this scene?
Uh, my boy buying.
buying sweets,
That is Idgah, festival of Eid. See, here are the boys. You can say Hamid's friends are there. Here is Hamid.
Yeah.
Okay, now we will see what is there in the story. Before we start reading the story, there is a small warm up exercise. You all have to give the answers. See, Eid. You all know better than me. You have to tell me how many words you have to say. 8 words you have to give, which are related to the festival of Eid. It should be related. Any word which is related to festival of Eid. One I will tell you. Then you can tell me. Tell me now.
We pray
Related
namaz.
word. Yes, that is also there. Then one word answers I want. See, correct?
Yes, sir.
Happiness.
Yes, happiness is also there. But some related word I will write. Then what about others?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the meaning of this?
No. Yes. No.
What is it?
Takbir.
But what is the meaning?
जो बोलते हैं ना चार बार अल्लाह अकबर वो
You know what is it?
Yes.
Meaning. What is the meaning of that? चार
Azan.
बार बोलते हैं लेकिन नहीं, that is okay, but meaning उसका, you say it 4 times, but the meaning, Allahu Akbar, that is God is the greatest. Then
yes yes
zakat, पता है ना, zakat अल
yes
फितर,
yes sir we give money to
meaning, yes, charity we can say.
sorry charity yes sadaqat
That is also charity, all the kinds of charity.
yes yes ibadah
Means that is Arabic word,
ibadah
means service or worship to God.
worship of
Worship.
God
Yes. So these are the related words. Now we will read the story. See, I will read the 3 lines of introduction, and then turn by turn you will read it.
sir I did
So let me read this first. Read this story about a 4-year-old boy, Hamid, on Eid. All his friends enjoy themselves at the fair by buying toys, eating sweets, playing games. However, Hamid saves his money to buy something different. Find out what it is. Understood these 3 lines?
yes
Okay.
Yes.
Now it is very very interesting story. You will all love it when you read it.
sir you didn't say the ending of that lesson
The video I will show that.
Yes.
okay sir
Did you not search
Then
the video?
I read
Yes.
it is Eid. The boys have been waiting to go to the Eidgah. The happiest of them is Hamid. He is only 4.
Your voice.
My mic was off. Sorry.
Okay.
It is Eid. The boys have been waiting to go to the Eidgah. The happiest of them is Hamid. He is only 4, poorly dressed, thin and weak. His father died last year of cholera, and his mother died soon after. Now Hamid lives with his grandmother, Amina. She tells him that his father has gone to earn money. When he returned with sackload of silver and that his mother has gone to Allah to get lovely gifts for him. This makes Hamid very happy.
So, as I told you, it is a festival of Eid, and all the boys they want to go to Eidgah. You know already what is Eidgah. But what about Hamid? He is just 4 years old and he is poorly dressed. Means he is not wearing so good clothes. He is very thin boy. He is very weak. Energy भी नहीं है उसमें. His father died because of cholera. Last year his father died because of cholera. You know what is cholera?
Yes, it is a disease.
Yes, it is infectious disease that affects your stomach and intestines. And if it is severe, the person dies. So his father died because of cholera, and mother also died soon after father. So now he is an orphan. And Hamid lives alone only with his grandmother, that is Amina. And Amina tells Hamid that your father has gone to earn money and he will come back with sackloads of silver. You know what are sackloads? See, this is called
Very
sack.
much.
Yes, this is called sack. Kothra. In that,
Yes,
lot of silver you can put. Lot of silver. It has lot of space. So that is called sackloads of silver. So Amina tells Hamid that your father has gone to earn money and when he will come back he will bring sackloads of silver with him. And when Hamid asks about mother, then Amina says that your mother has gone to Allah to get gifts for you. But he does not know that person, once who has gone to him, will never come back. So he is happy. He thinks that they will both come back, but none of them will come back. But as he is just 4 years old, so Amina cannot explain the truth to him. Okay? Understood? Understood?
Yes.
बाकी सब सो गए. Hello, hello, mic
the
testing.
moment Amina hears Hamid want
Hello,
to
hello,
go,
mic testing.
yes sir, your voice is coming.
Yes, sir.
The moment Amina hears Hamid want to go to Idgah, she becomes sad. Other boys are
And
going out with their fathers. She is the only father Hamid has. How can she let him go to the fair all by himself? What if he gets lost in the crowd? No, she must not lose her precious little soul. The fair is about 3 miles from their house. How can he walk 3 miles? He doesn't even have a pair of shoes. He will get blisters on his feet.
okay, yes, continue.
If she went along with him, she could pick him up and now and then. But then who would be there to cook the sevaya when he comes back? He almost into tears when he lives with others.
Okay. So, Amina comes to know that Hamid wants to go to the Idgah, right? Because he is also like other boys, he also wants to go to the Idgah. So she becomes sad. Amina becomes very sad because Hamid cannot go alone, and other boys were going with their fathers, but Hamid did not have a father. So, for Hamid, she was the only father and she was the only mother. So how can she let him go alone so far in the fair all by himself? You know what is fair?
Yes, Mela.
Yes. So Amina cannot allow Hamid to go alone in the fair because other children were going with their parents, with their fathers. But what if he gets lost in the crowd? If he is alone, he will get lost in the crowd alone. No, no, she cannot lose her precious little soul. Who is the precious little soul? Hamid. So she cannot lose him. And the fair is 3 miles from the house. That is the distance. 1 mile means 1.6 kilometer. 3 mile means 4.8 kilometers. Around 5 kilometers दूर था. The distance of the fair from the house. So she cannot let him go. How can he walk 3 miles? He doesn't even have a pair of shoes. Without shoes, can anyone walk 5 kilometers? Is it easy? No.
No, hard.
So, yes, he will get blisters on his feet. Blisters means, the burn mark
छाले
on
पड़
the feet.
जाते हैं.
See, like this.
Yes.
Yes, that are called blisters on the
Yes,
feet. When you don't wear your slippers, your footwear, and you walk outside without wearing your footwear, you get blisters on your feet. So she cannot let him go. He would get blisters on his feet. He was just 4. And if Amina will go with him, suppose Amina will go with him, then she can pick him up in her arms every 5-10 minutes. But if she will go, then who will cook the sevaiya? Because when Hamid comes back, he will ask for the food. He will be hungry. So Amina has to stay back and she has to cook sevaiya. Sevaiya सबको पता है, right? Festival of Eid.
yes.
Yes. So she has to cook sevaiya. And so she cannot go with him. So who will go with Hamid? She was she
He
started
will,
crying.
now he will go with others.
Yes, but then no one will take care of him like his own child. So she started crying, burst into tears, means she started crying. And when he leaves with others, Hamid goes with others, his friends, and so Amina starts crying that she could not go with him. Now read one more paragraph and then I will give others chance
Yes,
for
sir.
reading.
The villagers leave for the fair in a group with the boys. Boys is Hamid. The boy run on ahead of the elders and wait for them under a tree. When they reach the suburbs of the town, it began to get crowded. Groups heading off the Idgah are coming into town from different sides, each one dressed better than the other. Some come on longas and ikkas, some in motor cars, all wearing perfume, all bursting with excitement. Our small party of village rustics is not bothered about the poor. He so they are a calm, content lot.
Contented.
Yes, contented lot.
Okay. So villagers leave for the fair in a group. Now they all are going to the fair. All the villagers together. And with these boys, Hamid is there. All are going. Hamid is also going with them. The boys run on ahead of the elders and they wait under the tree. You know that boys, when they are walking with their elders, they walk ahead of them and they run very fast and then they stand for the elders to come there. Like that. They enjoy like that. So the boys were running ahead and they sat under the tree and when the elders reached there, again they started walking with them. Understood? When? Understood?
Yes, understood.
Yes.
When they reached the suburbs of the town, suburbs means it is written over here, a residential area near the town or city, but which is far from the center. Means which is in the outskirts, city से थोड़ा दूर हो, not in the center. See, these are called suburbs, which are little bit far away from the city. Center में नहीं है, थोड़ा दूर होता है city से. that are called the suburbs. So, as they reached the suburbs, as the villagers, their group reached the suburbs of the town, it begins to get crowded. There was a lot of crowd. So many people came from all the four sides, from different villages, from different towns. The people were coming to the festival of Eid, to the Eidgah in the fair. Groups heading for the Eidgah are coming into the town from different sides. See, as I said, groups heading means group moving ahead. They come from different sides. They come from different cities. They are all gathered at one place, gathering at one place. Each one dressed better than the other. So they are all wearing new clothes like they are having competition. So nice clothes they are wearing. Some come on Tongas and Ekas. So some people are coming on Tongas and Ekas and some are coming on motor cars. What is Tongas and Ekas? See, horse drawn vehicles. You know what it is?
Yes.
What?
The vehicle
घोड़ा
drawn
गाड़ी
by horse or cows or camels.
horse cart
This one?
yes
Tongas and Ekas. And others, they come on their motor cars. All wearing perfume. They had all applied perfume and all bursting with excitement. Means they were very, very excited. Our small party of village rustics is not bothered about the poor show they make. So, small party means there was a small group of village rustics. Rustics, it is written unsophisticated villagers. The villagers who are very unsophisticated, those who those who have their own behavior, their own language, their own style. You know the village style that are called unsophisticated villagers. So they are not bothered. Means उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. That these big people come in their motor cars, or they are wearing good clothes, or they have applied costly perfumes. They are not bothered because they think that these people are making the poor show. Means they are showing off. So village rustics, they are not bothered. They ignore them. Understood?
Yes.
There is a lot of noise in the background. Sahil.
No.
They are calm, contented a lot. So who is calm and contented? Contented means they are satisfied with what they have. So who is calm and contented? Who is calm and
Calming.
contented?
Calming.
I am asking who is calm and contented?
Hamid.
Yeah, I mean, what are you doing, Sahil? Sleeping? They are calm and contented. They call.
They.
Who?
They.
villagers
Villagers.
Villager.
क्या they?
Sir, you said they.
But I
They
am
are.
asking who are they? Then you did not say. The village rustics. ये सब सो रहे हैं मुझे लगता है. I will stop explanation now. This is rubbish that I am doing over here. Jabbar, Sanraj, then Sufyan and Muhammad Ali and
Yes, sir.
Muhammad.
Sir, how are
Everyone,
you?
everyone is sleeping.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Not fine.
यस, आपके वॉइस से ही लग रहा था.
What about your voice?
I am very fine.
You are not understanding the lesson. Okay, you all can go to sleep. Good night.
No, sir.
क्यों? अभी तक तो सो रहे थे. अभी क्या हुआ?
Not sleeping. Not sleeping.
Okay, read this.
I.
Hmm.
For village children, everything in the town is strange. They stand and gape at everything with wonder. Hamid is nearly run over by a car. Finally, the Idgah comes in view. The boys flock towards the sweet and toy vendor stores, and then there is the roundabout strung with wooden elephants, horses, and camels. Pay 1 paisa and have 25 rounds of fun. Mahmoud, Mohsin, Noore, and other boys mount the horses and camels. Hamid watches them from a distance. All he has are 3 paisas. He can't afford to part with a third of his treasure for a few miserable rounds. They finish with the roundabouts and line up for the toys. Mahmoud buys a policeman in khaki with a red turban on his head and gun on his shoulder. Mohsin likes the water carrier with his back bent under the weight of the water bag. Noore has fallen for the lawyer. Hamid looks at them with a desire to hold each one of them. They cost 2 paisa each. He thinks for a moment if he really wants them, if they dropped out of his hand, they would be smashed to bits. If a drop of water fell on them, the paint would run. They are of no use to him. But still, his eyes look at them hungrily, and he wishes he could hold them in his hands for just a moment or two. After the toys come the sweets, sesame seed, candies, gulab jamuns, and halwa. They smack their lips with relish. Only Hamid is left out.
Okay, so now you know that others were enjoying, Hamid was not. So, for village children, everything in the town is very strange. The children of the village, when they come to the town, they look at everything and they think that everything is different. Because village children, when they go to the town, they are very happy. They see new things. So, for village children, everything is new, everything is strange in the town. They stand and gape at everything with wonder. Gape means to look at something with your mouth open. When you are excited, your mouth is open and you see that thing with wonder. So they are standing, and all the village children are looking at everything with surprise and amazement. Hamid is nearly run over by a car. Run over means overthrown, means he was about to get hit by a car, but he was saved. So they
No,
reached
sir.
the Idgah. They reached they reached Idgah, and the boys flocked towards the sweet and toy vendor stores. So all the boys, Hamid and his friends, they all went to the sweet and toy vendors. Sweet seller and toy seller के पास गए सब स्टोर में. It was a fair. And there is a roundabout. Roundabout पता है ना? That big wheel.
Yes.
That roundabout strung with wooden elephants. तो उसमें क्या लगा था वो व्हील्स पे जो बड़ा व्हील होता है उसमें व्हाट वाज देयर स्ट्रंग मींस उस पे लटकाया था क्या वुडन एलिफेंट्स थे
Wooden
स्मॉल स्मॉल
elephants.
एलिफेंट्स वुडन एलिफेंट्स टॉयज जैसे horses were there camels were there small wooden toys. Got it? On that roundabouts. Got it?
Yes.
Pay 1 paisa and have 25 rounds of fun. See, just 1 paisa. Today we don't even consider 50 paisa or 100 paisa. 100 paisa is 1
Yes.
rupee. At that time, 1 paisa, just not even 1 rupee, 1 paisa, and how many? 25 rounds of that roundabout. That was the price. Then all the friends, see, remember the name?
अभी तो 100 रुपए के भी 25 राउंड नहीं आते.
Right.
4 rupees and
Mahmood,
plus round.
okay. Mahmood was there, Mohsin, Noore, and all the other boys mount the horses and camels. मतलब वो horses और camels पे बैठे, not real ones. You know that rounds, horses are there,
Yes,
camels
many
are there.
वो मेले में होते हैं ना वो ना
Yes,
मेरे को राउंड जैसे.
yes. Hamid watches them from a distance. Hamid is not going there. All he has is 3 paisa, so he has only 3 paisas in his pocket. He cannot afford to part a third of his treasure for the few miserable rounds. So if he will go there, 1 paisa he will have to give. उसके पास 3 पैसा है तो उसका 1/3 चला जाएगा. 3 पैसा का 1/3 क्या होता है? 1 होता है. Like that.
yes,
So he cannot part, means he cannot spend this 1 paisa of his treasure. Treasure means khazana, but that treasure is only 3 paisa treasure. So he cannot spare that for rounds. He cannot use that. They finish with roundabouts and line up for toys. So now, after sitting in the roundabout, all the boys come in a line near the toy shop. Mahmood, see now what are they buying? Mahmood buys a policeman in khaki, वो toy policeman, with red turban. You know turban, वो पगड़ी होती है वो.
yes,
So he buys that. On his head there was a red turban and a gun on the shoulder. ऐसा toy buy किया उसने, महमूद ने. And Mohsin, he likes water carrier with his back bent under the weight of water bag. Water carrier buy किया उसने, in which you can carry water. That is also of toy. Noore has fallen for the lawyer. Lawyer means not the real one, toy lawyer. So Noore buys a toy lawyer. Hamid is looking at them with a desire to hold each of them. Hamid also wants these toys, to take the toys in his hands. But will he buy?
No.
No, because they cost 2 paisas each. Each toy 2 paisa. But he only has 3 paisas. He cannot spare. He thinks for a moment if he really wants them. Then he thinks that should I buy these toys? Really do I want them? Then he thinks maturely. If they dropped out of his hand, they would be smashed to bits. Means अगर वो गिर गया toy, then it will be smashed. It will be broken. So he should not buy. See, he's just 4 years old. 4-year-old, and still so much maturity. First में भी नहीं होगा अभी. Not even first standard, right?
Yes.
Still so much mature he is. If a drop of water fell on them, the paint would run. So if on the toy, water will fall on the toy. Anyway, if the water falls on the toy, then that paint on the toy will go away. It will become blur. That paint will go away on the toy. They are of no use to him. Then he thinks that these toys are useless for me. I should not buy. But still his eyes look at them hungrily as he wishes he could hold them in his hands for just a moment or two. So he is constantly looking at the toys which his friends have bought. Because Mahmood, Mohsin, Noore, they all bought these toys. And he is constantly looking at them that for 1 minute if I can hold that toy in his hand. That was his desire. After all, he was a child. Still, he was controlling himself. And he did not have any elder of his family with him. Then, after the toys came the sweets. Now, all the boys made a line and they went to the sweet shop. Which were the sweets? सीसेम सीड पता है? प्लांट दैट इज ग्रोन फॉर द सीड्स एंड ऑयल
Yes.
इज यूज्ड फॉर कुकिंग. इसका ऑयल कुकिंग में यूज होता है सीसेम सीड
Sunflower
का.
seeds.
यस. सो सीसेम सीड कैंडीज, सीसेम सीड्स की कैंडीज थी, गुलाब जामुन, हलवा, ऑल दी स्वीट्स वर देयर एट द स्वीट शॉप. And these friends started buying that. They smacked their lips with relish. So when they are eating these sweets, this his friends and this all the boys, Mahmood, Mohsin, Noor, when they are eating, they smack their lips with relish. How we lick our lips? Relish means licking our lips. When you eat sweet, you lick your lips after eating, right? That is relish. Hamid is seeing them. Only Hamid is left out. Means only one boy, Hamid, he is not able to eat it. Only he is left out. Understood?
Yes.
So why is he not spending money? 3 paisas he has. He could have bought one toy. He could have sat in the merry-go-round. Means 3 paisas he had, but why is he not using it? What will he use 3 paisas for? That we will see now. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye, bye.
Okay,
Bye, sir.
bye.
Bye.